Hi guys, this is JoiiCovers and you're here for a video today. So yeah, ang dami ko na naman nakatingkang videos on my phone and i-clear ko na naman siya by doing this video outtakes and exclusive clips vlog again. So, wala na akong kailangan pa sabihin. Let's start this vlog right away. Let's go. Madali ako today because I'll be watching a movie. It's my first time na manood ako ng sine for a long while. Dito na sa sine. I'll be watching The Substance because it piqued my interest. Like, I'm all about those, women-centered movies. So I'll be watching it. Right now, I'm having 4 minutes before the showing. So, madali. Okay guys, here we go. Cinema 6. Di mo na ako mag-video. Guys, ako lang na sa sine. Like, literal, ako lang na sa sine. It's the first time watching a movie alone. Nakakatakot. Because I'm also watching a body horror movie. So, good luck to me. This is me before The Substance. This is me after The Substance. What the fuck? It's a, extreme storytelling of, beauty standards. So yeah, that's a great movie. I don't want to get lost, but I know that Rockwell's like in the end part of the speech. Mamuntikan pa ako mamila. Hello. Sa ilalim ito na. The last speech. Time to be a vlogger. We cannot. Ano ba? Like, seriously. And some of the restaurants here are kind of like, on the bougie side, which I only have 500 pesos in my wallet right now. I cannot.
Kapal na mukha mo.
Okay, so I'm in my office right now and I have to remove my ID for this section of the video. Nalaglag pa nga yung locker ko. It's fucking awkward to vlog here because there's officers, not beside me but far beside me. And there are also people who were like going out like, so this is so fucking awkward. Andito ako sa Mr. DIY. Randomly, I got this gloves because I think this is pretty necessary kapag sa trabaho ko, especially when it be fucking cold. Like, I hate feeling like super cold. My first plan is to watch a movie, but the hype for MMFF 2024. I guess it doesn't live up to the hype anymore because once I read the reviews or whatever, it's done like so cliche to me plot-wise, so I didn't even continue watching it. MFF anymore. So, how to speak like a French person? There's this one thing na napansin ko, like ever since nung unang nag-aral ako ng French, and this is like very prominent in their language. Pansin nyo, kapag merong silang R in the one word, like merci, parfait, yun yung mga words like that has R in it. But when the French say it, isipin nyo na para kayo dudura ng plema ninyo. Like, bago kayo dumura, yun yung movement na kailangan gawin. Like, merci. Like, merci. Diba? Parfait. Parfait. It's that thing that when you're trying to pronounce a word and that has R in French and hindi mo siya masasabi like the R, like the actual R, parang ganun yung R sa kanila. Yun yung napapansin ko. Not all of those situations, ganun sila mag-pronounce ng R nila with their words. Because there are some instances naman na Paris, ganun naman din mag-pronounce ng R. Pero there are times na pag mag-pronounce sila ng words nila with an R, expect na ganun yung lalabas sa bibig nila. Merci, Yves Roger. Yung mga ganun, Roger. Oh my God, guys, nahanap ko yung bagay na wala ako. I mean, kulang ako. Ito yung wala ako pasensya. Ah, shit, stop. I got a pang chocolat. Sabi-sabi talaga ako sa pinapin nila. Even if it's fucking cold, it's so fucking good. Guys, don't mind my nipple earrings. Wow, they're very quirky. I love it so much. Work's over, so I'll be going to a place that is very much near sa opisina namin, and that is Gala Food Park. I can fuck with this. At this point, nanda-dog show na lang dito ako sa supermarket just to, you know, show how pretty I am right now, but what do you mean walang original? Joe, who is this blonde dude that you have met in MOA? Let me introduce you to Raf Lang, or people call him Blue. He is a social media influencer that you can see on TikTok and on Instagram, and this is my third time meeting him. So, yeah.
Let's take a picture anyway. Do something Alba. How do you find Manila so far? From the last 4 visits?
It's raining in Manila.
No,
No.
You know this song.
Manila is so amazing.
Yeah.
Always so much fun. But the best thing is you.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, don't get me flustered. Oh my gosh. Be showing your health though. Be showing your health though. So yeah, thank you very much for the video. Bye. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Bye.
Naghihintay na lang ako ng masasakyan pa uwi. And I guess they're literally avoiding this road kasi sobrang traffic din na pa uwi. I mean, I really wanted to go home safe and fast as possible. What? Dapat pala nag-cash na lang ako. Like, putang ina. If ito yung mangyayari sa akin, like, cannot. Uy. This is not fun. So that is it, guys, for my exclusive videos and some of my vlog outtakes. Wala masyadong outtakes. It's just like my old videos na hindi ko na-edit due to I am a busy woman. Sabrina Carpenter, where you at? So, hindi pa ako nagla-lunch at hindi pa ako nagme-merienda because I am doing this. So, it's an unhealthy habit of mine, but I will do like konting edits na lang for this video. Konti na lang. And then matatapos ito. So, JoiiCovers on TikTok and JoiiCovers on Instagram. I'll be uploading videos, more videos in the future. So, thank you very much, guys, for watching. Bye-bye! I love BGC in this kind of editing or video format. Like, should I make like VHS style vlog in the future? Let me know!